Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am quite excited to try this because I'm going to be trying out ZEESEA for the very first time. And in case you guys don't know what ZEESEA is, I don't know how you could not, but they carried like the most beautiful packaging ever. So if you do see that all across Instagram, like any social media, like that's who they are. Like again, it's so pretty, to the packaging, to the pressed eyeshadows, and like the embossing of everything. Like everything's just so beautiful through and through. When they reached out to me, I was like, oh yes, I definitely want to try this out. And they did send me 3 products right here, so we are gonna take a look at them, swatch them, see how they perform and all that good stuff. But before we get started with that, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you ever try ZEESEA or just love the pretty packaging that this brand is. Like, oh my god. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle right there, and let's get started with the video. So like I said, ZEESEA did reach out to me and they did send these to me. They are made in China, but this whole thing about them not being cruelty free is actually quite different than what people think it is. So if it is in China, they are cruelty free. So it's also depending on certain parts of China. If products are being imported into China, that's when they have to be tested on animals. But if it's actually made within the country, or even like certain parts of the country, they are cruelty free. Because it is a general cosmetic in China, they do not do any testing on animals. So with that out of the way, let's get into the packaging. It looks so pretty already. So first we're gonna start with the lipstick. This is the Palace Identity Chinese Dragon lipstick. Now look at this packaging right here. Just the feel of it on its own is it feels very luxurious. So we're gonna dive into this right here. So this is so pretty. Look at this lipstick! Oh my god! Like, look at this detail right here, you guys. The dragon wrapping around the lipstick. Even like the dragon head itself. Like, look at that detail. So I got this in shade M10, which is Apricot Nude. Even taking this off, this has some weight to it. Like, it does not feel cheap whatsoever. I know there's some people that they would like to feel some substance with their makeup or even anything in general. Like, if you're gonna be paying good money for it, you want to feel that it's good quality, it's heavy. Again, there's substance there, right? Compared to if you buy cheaper anything, dupes or whatever, it feels very light and it doesn't feel luxurious. But this definitely has some weight to it, like just the cap on its own. And I like that it's magnetic. I like these little details right there. Very, very nice touch. I kind of don't want to touch it, but I have to. So this is what the lipstick bullet looks like. Again, very intricate detail, very luxurious. Even the tip, I hope you guys see, even the tip of the bullet as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but again, this is so luxurious with the design. I kind of don't want to ruin it, but I kind of have to swatch it. So I hope you guys can see that. It's actually quite pigmented. This is a very nice color, actually. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. I'm pretty sure it'll look a lot better if I had a liner on. There is a scent there, but it's a very nice, sweet scent. It doesn't smell like plasticky or anything like that, because you know sometimes when you buy some cosmetics that are made in China, it has like this plastic doll type of smell, but no, it smells really good. And the color, it actually looks it looks really close to my natural lip color. It's very natural. Well, to me it's very natural. On someone else it could look a lot different, but on my lips and my skin tone, very, very natural looking. I really like this so far. It feels very smooth, very silky, very moisturizing as well. Yeah, not sticky at all. Some lipsticks leave that kind of like weird waxy film. This does not have that at all. And again, it looks a lot like my natural lip color. So if I put like a nice lip liner on, this will look 10 times better. But again, for the sake of the video, just trying it out. As you can see, very natural, very, very nice. Like, again, this is the color. really good. I really like this. So the lipstick does retail for $29 US, so converted to Canadian, let's just say slightly over like 30 bucks, which isn't bad for a lipstick. Again, for the quality, the smell, everything, the component itself, it looks so good. Like I'm definitely wearing this out. I'm not going anywhere except for grocery store, but I'm wearing this. So next up is the eyeshadow. It's in the same collection as like their Palace Identity. So this is the Romance Makeup Palette. I got it in number 4, which is like earthly tones. So I personally like more natural looking eyeshadows. Like sometimes I'll put some color, but majority of the time I like my browns, my neutrals. I'm pretty sure you guys could tell already. So woo, pretty nice, pretty nice. I feel like there's a lot of like eyeshadow around here, so I hope it didn't get like damaged on the way. Like it came like this. We need to protect the top part of this. Oh my god, they thought it through. Let's just start. I think it's very a little extra, but they want to protect their design, and it's pretty nice. All right, so again, there is some like eyeshadow stuff around here, so I'm gonna clean it a little bit, and my light just went out, so yay! Now I'm gonna be less bright, so sorry you guys. Okay, so I think we're good. I hope so. Okay, so again, here's the eyeshadow, and you can see this is so intricate. Like the design, the component itself, it's so nice. So this does retail for $45 US. Yeah, this did break in transit right here. So unfortunately, yeah, it's, you can definitely see like the stuff right there. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side and clean this up a little bit. The center looks like it's broken, so let me clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll throw in a picture showing what the center will look like, because as you guys can see, it is broken and a lot of the eyeshadow went everywhere. So when I'm swatching, I feel like a lot of the color will come from like, you know, the broken part of the eyeshadow. Initially, other than the broken part of it, beautiful. You guys can see like the imprints right there. I'm pretty sure the center was really beautiful. Again, I'll throw in a photo, but then this looks so nice. Initially touching it, I hope you guys see that. It's very soft. It feels quite soft. I'm trying to get this middle shade right here, but it's kind of mixing in with that broken one. So I'm trying to grab the color. I probably have to do like a deep clean with this, but you could kind of see that shimmer right there. It feels very soft once again, and I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be like shimmeries as well, but because it's kind of mixed in with the broken shade, I can't really tell too much. So that is quite unfortunate. But other than that, the shades, like swatching it initially, pretty good. Overall, I think the shades are very smooth. They're actually quite buttery, and they're not that dusty or chalky at all. But again, I'll throw in some clips for you guys to see the actual swatches of this, but so far, pretty good. And last but not least, we have the pressed powder. Now, the one that I have is curated for all skin types. So whether you're oily, dry, combo skin, this is supposed to be for all skin types. They have other powders that are catered for dry, to normal, to oily. This is supposed to be for everything. Now, I got this in the shade 10. And let me just open this up right here. So this is supposed to give a flawless matte finish. So hopefully this won't be too mattifying for me. And there's only 3 shades, unfortunately. So again, I got this in the shade 10. And let me just peel this off right here because it looks so good, like the color. Ooh, this is what the component looks like. There is a mirror in this and also the other one as well, but there's a film there, so we're just gonna leave that for now. It comes in a little powder proof right there. And here is the shade. So another great thing is that this powder foundation is formulated with oil-absorbing minerals that are clinically proven to absorb excess oil on your face. It's supposed to help even out the complexion. Of course, it's supposed to help control oil and shine and reduce imperfections to help set that makeup. So the pressed powder feels very silky, and I'm actually quite surprised at how silky it feels. There were only 3 shades to choose, and there was only ivory, natural, and porcelain. So I didn't think porcelain would have been a good match, so natural was my best bet. But it's still slightly a little too light, so probably later on in like the fall, winter, when I get a little lighter, when I'm not that tan, I could hopefully wear this. But if anything, I could just use this to set my under eye, and hopefully that it looks all silky and smooth and no cakey feeling or anything. So in the next clips, I will do a wear test and see how they feel on my face, how it looks throughout the day. And yeah, so future Nadia. I wanted to give you guys a heads up on the powder and how it's looking. The eyeshadows, I didn't use them, but I wanted to test out the powder and the lipstick for you guys. So I did my usual routine with the translucent powder, foundations, and all that, like my holy grail items I know absolutely work. And I topped it off with the powder, but only on certain points of my face. Because it is a lighter shade, I only did under my eyes, my forehead, like the highlighted points. Right now it is 2 o'clock, just after 2 o'clock, and I've had this on since about 6:30 in the morning. So it's almost been an 8-hour day. I wanted to tell you guys what is happening and what's going on with this powder. So after a almost 8-hour wear, this looks beautiful, you guys. Like absolutely gorgeous. My forehead, like nothing's changed. The foundation is still kept in place. You can see like that nice glow, but it isn't oily. When I first applied it, it definitely kept me like matte, but then as the day progressed, you can see that there is a nice glow. There is not oil. So my smile line, you can kind of faintly see it, but nothing has settled in it at all. Even underneath the eyes right here, like my fine lines, I hope you guys can see it, but under like my fine lines, well, nothing has settled. My pores especially, they look nice, they look flawless, and again, it gives like this nice glow without looking oily. Everything overall looks it just looks like I just put on my face. And even like on the sides of the nose right there, because sometimes the foundation will break apart, collect, and so forth and settle, right? It is not doing that at all. This powder is really good. When it comes to the lips, the lipstick, like I said before, is very creamy, very pigmented. It's very close to my natural lip shade. I did use a lip liner just to, you know, make it neat, lined up and all that good stuff, and it's pretty good. Like I just reapplied it. It did fade throughout the day, but it is a nice color, nice natural looking, not anything overwhelming. I always want something where it looks natural, like nude, like my type of nude, and I absolutely love this. This is really good. It doesn't feel drying. It's very moisturizing. There is like that sweet vanilla-ish type of smell, but nothing overpowering, and it just looks amazing. Like my whole makeup day today looks so good. I kind of don't want to take off my face, but I kind of have to because I gotta go to the gym later. I'm not gonna go to the gym with a full beat and, you know, sweat. But yeah, it looked so good, so good. So anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love these products. Like again, it's been a 8-hour day basically, and my face looks flawless. Like really nice. So if you guys are interested in any of the products I showed in the video, I will put the links and everything down in the description box below, and I would really recommend this to you guys, like especially the pressed powder as well. Not only is like the compact like beautiful, like just the performance of it, I did not know what to expect, but clearly the results show. Again, just the packaging on like their lip products and just everything in general, it's so beautiful. Like everything's so pretty, it's detailed, it's so intricate basically. Like I have never seen anything like this before. Like, come on. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because, you know, these little guys are like standing up here, but like it's just beautiful. The whole thing's just gorgeous. So again, if you guys are interested, links and everything is down in the description box below. I hope you guys check it out. And again, I gotta take off my face, which is kind of sad, but I kind of have to do it. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye.